What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new BLU VIVO X5. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I just bought this phone 2 days ago and it finally came in today. BLU, if you're watching this video, I'd really love to review your devices. I would definitely save money if you guys could just send them out to me. But yeah, so this is unlocked and ready to use. So basically this is a dual SIM device for only $99, which is great to see at this price tag. Now they do have the bigger brother, the XL5 that I actually purchased that's coming in tomorrow. So definitely turn on the notifications because I will be unboxing its bigger brother tomorrow. Now if you go to the back of the box, we have a 5.7 inch HD plus 18:9 widescreen display. This has a 277 ppi, so not the most pixel dense, but I heard decent things about the screen's colors. Now as for the processor, we do have an octa-core processor at 1.6 GHz. We have a 13 megapixel rear facing camera with LED flash and an 8 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash. We also have 64 gigabytes of internal memory, 3 gigabytes of RAM, the fingerprint sensor, and Android 9.0 Pie. Without further ado, let's go and unbox this. Alright everyone, let's go and open this up now. So first and foremost, we have the phone on the top, and this feels very light, so probably leads me to believe there is a removable battery in this, but we do have a leather back on this device, which I actually like. Let's go and put this to the side though. Next thing we have in the box is the wall charger. Next we have the micro USB data cable. Next we have some earbuds. Next we have a 2800 milliamp battery. Feels like a very small battery honestly, but this is only a 5.7 inch screen, so doesn't look like it needs to have a huge battery. Next thing we have is the dual SIM installation guide, and we also have the quick start guide for the VIVO X5. We also have BLU's cool design sticker right here. This actually does come with a silicone case, which is always nice to see, and this is going to be clear. Next thing we have right here is a plastic screen protector, and BLU also gave us a glass screen protector as well, so always nice to see. We do have a microfiber cleaning cloth in there as well, so very cool stuff, BLU. So we're gonna go and remove this leather back right here, go ahead and pop this battery in, and now take off the screen protector. Alright everyone, so first and foremost we have the BLU logo at the bottom, we have the fingerprint sensor right here, and we have a rear facing camera with the LED flash below that. Now taking a look at the back of this phone, this is a stitched leather phone or pleather phone, and actually feels very good. I definitely love the material that BLU went with, definitely nostalgic of the Note 3 and Note 4. Also something I forgot to add is we do have the speaker on the back of this device. Now that is something that I really don't agree with as far as the placement goes, but it actually doesn't sound too bad. But the thing is, you can cover the speaker up, so that's definitely just a warning to all of the viewers. Fingerprint sensor is actually pretty decent, as you guys can see. Nothing amazing, but for $99, definitely a decent fingerprint sensor. Bottom of the phone, we have the noise canceling mic. Right side of the phone, we have the volume up and down rocker, and we also have the power button just under that. Top of the phone, we have the micro USB port, and we also have the 3.5mm head jack. From the phone, we have the headset, and we also have the front-facing camera. Now, first and foremost, this phone is actually decently snappy, as you guys can see, with the 3 gigabytes of RAM in there and that octa-core processor. The other thing that I've noticed is, yes, the PPI isn't too high, but the screen actually looks very nice. Also, looking around the UI, this is fairly stock Android. Obviously, we do have a very light skin over this, but this is fairly stock Android, so I have a feeling this is going to run very well. But we do have some features on here that you guys can go ahead and use on the drop down bar menu, just showing you that now. We have battery saver, long screenshot, invert color, hotspot, screen capture, data saver, eye comfort, basically the usual stuff that we get. Also, if we go to settings and swipe to the left, we have some more features: Face ID, battery modes, fingerprint security, and navigation mode if you guys want to go and change anything. Now, just verifying, we are running Android 9.0, so as you guys see, we have the latest software. So far though, UI is running very nice and smooth. We're gonna go and check out the camera and call this unboxing a day, and we're gonna obviously give you the full review of this phone, but we're gonna go and check this camera out real quick. But we have the camera right here. Let's go and take a few test photos real quick. So the shutter button is fairly quick, and with studio lighting, this rear facing camera looks really good for $99. But we're gonna go ahead and take a front facing photo real quick. So the front facing photo and studio lighting as well looks decent for $99. I don't think this is going to be amazing, but for the average picture taker, it's going to be fine. So for $99, you get all of those specifications. You get a leather back, you get a fingerprint sensor, Definitely tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm actually liking this phone so far, so if you guys do want to go and pick this up, I do have a link in the description down below that is an affiliate link, so I do get a tiny kickback from that. So if you guys are going to purchase this phone, go in the first link in the description down below. But yeah guys, tell me what you think. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.